Welcome to our channel. Today we how to build affiliate revenue with Teachable detailed guide step by step clearly. To build affiliate revenue with Teachable, start by creating a Teachable account if you haven't already. Once your account is set up, navigate to the admin dashboard. From the dashboard, click on the Affiliate tab in the Settings menu. Now, enable the affiliate program by turning on the toggle. Next, customize your affiliate program details. Set your commission rate that you want to offer to your affiliates. Consider whether you want a recurring commission or a one-time payment for sales. After configuring the commission, create unique affiliate links for your courses. Make sure to provide clear instructions for your affiliates on how to use these links. Next, develop marketing materials that affiliates can use to promote your courses. These materials may include banners, social media posts, and email templates. Once your affiliates are equipped with promotional materials, start recruiting them. Reach out to your network or use social media to find potential affiliates. You might also consider joining affiliate networks to broaden your reach. After building your affiliate team, monitor their performance. Use Teachable's analytics tools to track sales generated by each affiliate. Provide regular updates and support to your affiliates. Encourage them to share their experiences and generate content related to your courses. Consider hosting webinars or training sessions to help your affiliates market effectively. Finally, continuously review and refine your affiliate program based on performance data. Adjust commission rates, offer bonuses for top performers, and keep communication open. By following these steps, you'll create a robust affiliate program on Teachable that drives revenue. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.